From the station with the most local news in our West Michigan, Fox 17 News at 10 starts right now.
Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Derek Francis.
I'm Janice Allen. First tonight, hundreds of kids in West Michigan joining the fight against COVID this weekend, getting their very first dose of the Pfizer vaccine after health officials expanded eligibility to include those 12 to 15.
Yeah, Marisa Oberle has a closer look tonight.
Next to the Pfizer plant producing millions of COVID-19 vaccine doses each week, kids in West Michigan put the shots to good use on Sunday. 450 of them, ages 12 to 15, inoculated at a clinic hosted by Bronson Healthcare.
To go to school and so we can finally see our friends since we've been at home the whole time.
Amana Fendi, her twin sister Zaina, and their family want normalcy, the girls spending much of the last year at home to protect those around them.
We were very excited that we were going to get a chance.
Courtney Converse gave her sons a say in the matter, the two listing similar reasons as to why they signed up after U.S. health officials expanded eligibility.
Protect them and protect others and be able to participate in school and sports and see their friends and just be able to hopefully move forward.
Elsewhere in West Michigan, the Kent County Health Department offered up to 200 spots for the new group on Saturday, and Spectrum did too on a walk-in basis. A spokesperson saying they received 100 of them, but did not keep track of ages.
This vaccine is very, very safe and very, very effective at preventing COVID.
Dr. Erin Lane Davies with Bronson notes the most recent surge in the state proportionately impacted kids as it did adults. 2,000 of the system's pediatric patients tested positive throughout the pandemic, with an estimated 5 to 10 developing MIS-C, a rare inflammatory disease. Pediatricians say if large groups of kids do not get vaccinated, it could prolong the pandemic.
When we think about school and athletics, these are points of time when people are in close contact with one another. And so seeing the infection spread so easily amongst children in those settings is yet another reason that we need to include them in the vaccination effort, make sure they're protected, make sure their families are protected.
That was our Marisa Oberle reporting. Bronson plans to partner with multiple organizations to offer more clinics like today's in the future. Any parent hesitant to allow their child to get this shot, of course, should talk to their doctor first.